If you have been looking for a rich, creamy turmeric body scrub that exfoliates and leaves your skin feeling soft and moisturized, you are in the right place. Today, I will show you exactly how I make mine using the multi-purpose base cream we made in the previous video. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On this channel, I share commercial standard soap making, skincare formulations, and household DIY products. If you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always stopping by to watch my content. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all. Without wasting time, let's dive in straight in today's tutorial. Don't skip any part. I'll show you how to get a smooth creamy scrub without lumps and how to adjust the texture if it's too thick or too runny. Here are the ingredients we'll be using today. Multipurpose base cream that we prepared in my last video. If you haven't seen the video, I'll be dropping the link at the description box so that you can watch it and benefit from the knowledge shared in the video. I use 123 grams of the base cream in this production. The recipe of this production is on the screen. I use 2.5 grams of turmeric oil. I'm using homemade turmeric oil, which I made by infusing fresh turmeric in olive oil. This allows the oil to absorb the beneficial compound from the turmeric before I incorporate it into my formulation. I used 5 grams of glycerin. It's a humectant. It attracts moisture to the skin, helping to keep it hydrated, soft and smooth. Up next is honey. Honey is a natural humectant that helps keep the skin soft, hydrated and moisturized while enhancing the texture of the body scrub. I use 10 grams of honey by the way, and we are doing 250 gram batch size. If you are enjoying this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Every like and comment helps YouTube share this video with more DIY lovers, and I truly appreciate your support. At this stage, I stir the ingredients thoroughly to ensure that they are evenly combined. This is my sugar. It's a natural exfoliant that gently buffs away dead skin cells, revealing smoother, softer and healthier looking skin. You can use either white or brown sugar or a combination of both. I used 100 grams of sugar in this recipe. I'm using 5 grams of bentonite clay to give this body scrub a smooth spa-like feel and help absorb excess oil. If you don't have bentonite clay, you can use kaolin clay or rice flour or arrowroot powder. And if you don't have any of these, you can simply leave the clay out. The scrub will still work beautifully. Now for the star of the show, turmeric powder. It gives this scrub its beautiful golden color and is a popular skincare ingredient. It's rich in antioxidants and is commonly used to promote a brighter, healthier looking complexion. At this stage, I mixed my powdered ingredients together. That's the mixture of sugar, turmeric and bentonite clay. I made sure that they are evenly combined before moving to the next stage. Here, I combined my sugar mixture with the base cream. If you notice, I didn't pour it at once. I was pouring it bit by bit. As you are mixing, pay close attention to the consistency. If your scrub feels too runny, simply add a little more sugar, a small amount at a time, until you achieve a thick, creamy texture that holds its shape. As you can see, the scrub is gradually taking shape. The ingredients are coming together beautifully, creating a rich, smooth and creamy texture. This body scrub is already complete, but I like to add a small amount of cocoa mine because it improves the slip and gives the scrub a smoother, creamier feel on the skin. I use 2.5 grams of cocoa mine in this production. I also added 2.5 grams of fragrance oil, and I used banana fragrance, by the way. I didn't add preservative in this production because I made this scrub almost immediately after producing the base cream. I already have preservative in the base cream, and it's a smaller batch that will be used up almost immediately. While trying this recipe, if you are doing a bigger batch, ensure you add preservative to extend the shelf life. And here is the finished turmeric body scrub, rich, creamy, beautifully white, and packed with gentle exfoliating sugar. It looks absolutely luxurious and is ready to be transferred into its container. Before packaging, I'm sanitizing my containers to help keep them clean and reduce the risk of contamination. This is a simple but important step you shouldn't skip. If this video added value to you, please support the channel by liking, subscribing, and sharing it with someone who loves DIY skincare and soap making tutorials like this. Now it's time to test our turmeric body scrub. I will start by wetting my arms. Apply a generous amount of the scrub. I gently massage it in circular motion. Leave it on for a few minutes. Then rinse it off so we can see the final results together. At this stage, I rinse off the scrub, and as you can see, my skin looks clean, feels incredible soft, smooth, and well moisturized. That's the beautiful result of combining gentle exfoliation with nourishing ingredients. And here is the turmeric scrub after 24 hours. Rich, creamy, luxurious, silky. It is giving what we are talking about, pure luxury. This body scrub won't change your natural skin tone. It's made to exfoliate, keep your skin looking healthy and radiant, and is suitable for all skin tones. If you are looking for a brightening focused scrub, stay tuned. Use this scrub twice or 3 times a week for the best results. We have come to the end of today's tutorial. Always be good to one another. Thank you for watching. Anticipate my next video. Bye.